Irina from La La Land Crafts. We're super excited to be back with another presentation for Scrapbook Expo at Home event. And today is all about tags and bags. Let me show you first our show specials are the product bundle is $50. The retail value is $72 of the products included. I'll show you in a minute what's there. And for the sale, we have 20% off, coupon code TAGS20 altogether, and it's valid today through August 28th. It's not valid on the product bundle because it's already more than 20% off. Let me show you what's included. You'll get a Caroline We Go clear stamp set, and it's really cute set with the mice Caroline, and you have fun sentiments to go with it. You'll get 3 dice in this bundle. You'll get lamppost, chimney, and the small wreath. You'll also get a sampler of the papers from our Little Merry Christmas paper pack. You'll get 10 papers in your product bundle. And you can see there are nice Christmassy, fun and bright papers here. You will also get set of 8 tags that we pre-cut for you. You'll get 4 in white and 4 from the papers. And these are the papers that are from the same paper pack. And along with that, you'll get 4 reinforcers for your tag. The last thing in this product bundle is the gable box. So this is included for you. The project that we'll be making today are the 4 fun tags plus a little gift bag. And we're going to embellish the gable box. We're going to start with the gift bag. I have a template for you here. You'll need to cut white cardstock measuring 5.5 by 10, and you're going to score it at 3.25, 4 3/4, 8 and 9.5. Then you're going to turn it and score it at 4 inches. Once you have it scored, you're going to grab your scissors and you're going to cut along scored lines, vertical lines up to the horizontal line. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts here. You're going to cut off this rectangle all the way. And then on the shorter flaps, you're going to cut off little triangles all the way to your score line right there. And that will just help us fold it better. So I'm not measuring here, just cutting them off. So you'll have it like this. Then you're going to fold on all of the score lines and use your bone folder to make it nice and crisp. And then you're going to have this. You're going to apply the score tape once on the flap and then turn it, and you're going to apply it on the smaller flaps here and one on the longer one. To close it, first we're going to close it on the long side. Remove the tape here, and then you're going to hold it in and then simply fold your box in half and let it drop, and it's nice and straight fold right there. Then you're going to fold the one flap with no tape in, close these flaps and close this flap. For the layers, I have 2 cut 3 3/4 by 3, and you can use any of the papers from your paper pack. Once you attach the papers, you're going to have it like this, and it kind of creates a box. So you can use the same measurements for the box. But if you pinched your sides like this, just kind of fold it in half and pinch it about 1/3 of the length, it will give you this shape that looks like a bag. And then once you punch the holes and attach the handle, this makes it look like a cute Christmas gift bag. To embellish it, I used one of the dies in your product kit. So this is the chimney die, but I decided we're going to build a retaining wall. So I cut 3 of the chimneys, as you can see here. Then I added the little wreath, the small wreath. I just cut it in half. So I had pieces like this, and I added them under the top snow here. So, and then I cut, as you can see, I cut this, the right side I cut it on the left, just cut it straight. The middle piece I cut both sides off, and the left piece I cut the right piece of the snow off here. And then the bottom snow I added just 2 pieces. It fits like that. So then you can add it to your bag. I also used our star wreath die. I thought it looked kind of cute with the singing mice, and I tucked it under. And then the sentiment that comes with your clear stamp set, fa la 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 la, really cute, makes me smile. I stamped it on the stitched pennants die on the medium size right here. These dies are not included in your product kit. You might have them already or not. If not, you can use your 20% off coupon code and get them on our website. So the sentiment would go here, and as you can see, I added little rhinestones just to dress it up, really cute. And then on the back I added a circle so you can write to and from. So you can see, really easy, really cute little gift bag that you can make, and you can of course make it for different occasions. It doesn't have to be just Christmas. Now let's move on to our gable box. The gable box is included in your product bundle. To embellish it, you're going to have 2 layers of white cardstock, 3.5 by 2.25, 2 layers of white cardstock, 2.25 by 2.25, and then you're going to cut the papers of your choice from your papers included in the product kit. I have 2 3.25 by 2 and 2 inches by 2 inches. I have mine already glued together just so we can move on faster here during the video. So you'll simply just glue them on all 4 sides. For the front of the box, I die cut the chimney from chipboard so it looks feels a little thicker. And the top snow I die cut once from chipboard and once from the white cardstock, and I layer them together like this. Then the chimney would go behind my layer. I think this just kind of adds really cute detail right here. Really fun. And then my sentiment, I stamped it on the circle. Have yourself a merry little Christmas, and that's the sentiment from your clear stamp set. And then I cut the top straight, and the sentiment would go right there. And then for the snow or ice right there for my little mouse to ski on, this is the bottom part of the chimney die, but we're going to use it in this way here. So this is again from chipboard and the white cardstock layered, so that would go right there, and my little mouse on top of that. I popped him on, and he's skiing, having fun. On the back of my gable box, I used another circle, and I used the same stitched pennants that we used on the gift box, so that I lined them up like so. And then again I cut the small I keep on calling it little small wreath. I cut it in half, and they just tucked in parts under it, so that give me this embellishment right here. And then on the sides I added more circles, so it's the same on both sides. And I used our candy cane die, and you can see it comes with the 2 parts, solid part and then with the parts cut out. So you can, if you cut it from 2 different colors, you can mix and match like so. And that completes this project right here. Now moving on to tags. We're going to start with this cute tag with the lamppost. So you would grab from your tags that are included, and I just want to mention that we die cut these tags for you from the large stitch tags and from the nested stitch tag. So these are the two sets. If you want to cut more tags, you can purchase this online in our online store with your 20% off discount. I'm using the largest tag included with your kit. I already cut my blue layer on the stitched line, so when I layer them together, it gives me the outline. The white is still showing. Then you can use one of your included reinforcers. So these are all you can mix and match, and you can simply glue them on, and it just adds another pretty detail to your tag. To make a lamppost, I die cut it twice, once from white cardstock and once from chipboard. I inked my chipboard with the yellow ink to kind of have the light showing through, and I would layer them together like so it creates nice and thick element for me. And then I die cut two of the small wreaths, once from darker green and once from lighter green, and I layer them together like so, little offset, so it creates really nice full wreath for me there. Then you can simply slide it, and this will go on to the side. Then I created another snow with the chipboard and the white cardstock, and that's again from your chimney die right there. And my little mouse friend here, and then the sentiment is from the same clear stamp set that comes with the mice. And I stamped it actually on the long flex die, but I used this part here, and then I used the other part of it on my other tag. So this tag here, I simply glued it back to front, white and the printed paper. The sentiment is there. I die cut the small wreath from the same paper pack, so you can see that it just creates another really fun detail there. Again, the same way the snow in my little mouse, so it's a really simple tag. On this tag, I did the same way. I cut the tag from the printed paper on the stitching part, so this creates the layering detail. Then I cut the small piece from the printed paper, so you can choose from the designs that you have. And then these gift boxes are actually from one of the papers that's included in your paper pack. So I simply fuzzy cut some presents and I put behind my little mouse there. And then the Carol and We Go is stamped on the flag again, on this part of the flag. And I put a little bit of the snow on the top of the sentiment just to create another detail. On this small tag, I again simply glued them together, two tags together, the white and the one from the printed paper. And then I die cut the chimney from white cardstock, and I cut it in half, so that gives me two pieces like this. So this is our chimney, goes this way. And I added just pieces right there for the layering effect. And again, half of the small wreath right there. So really fun little tag, and you can write message or to and from on the back. And as you can see, you can add ribbons, you can add twine, whatever you want in your tags, and you can create the tags for your friends and family to go on your Christmas gifts. I think we have a few more minutes. I want to show you. This is the project that I made sometimes last year, and this is actually made from the brown bag. I cut it to the size, the top of it, cut it off, and then added, you can see the papers are from the same paper pack that we're using. And then for this fun closure right there, I used the tag. So this is the largest tag from the set. You can see this is the tag. And then I created this fun circle with the stitched pennants coming out as the closure. And this is your little mouse from the same clear stamp set that we're using. You can find the tutorial on this bag on our YouTube channel. When you go on YouTube, just go to youtube.com, then /LaLaLandCrafts, all together in one word, and that would take you to our YouTube channel. Or you can go to our website. That might be the easiest way. Just go to LaLaLandCraft.com, then /LaLaLandCrafts, all together in one word, and that would take you to our YouTube channel. Or you can go to our website. That might be the easiest way. Just go to LaLaLandCraft.com, then /LaLaLandCrafts, all together in one word, and that would take you to our YouTube channel. Just go to and click on videos, and that will take you directly to our YouTube channel. There are also a couple of other projects that are using the same clear stem set. Our little Carolyn We Go friends. This is a suitcase, and you can fit the gift card in here. And this is using our suitcase die. And this little box made from the same die, from the suitcase die, but I made it into the trinket box, or the trunk kind of box instead. So you can put gift card here and little presents. And the tutorials for both of this, or for these 3 projects, are on our YouTube channel. So if you want to take a look at that. I also wanted to mention that if you purchased one of our previous bundles, the one with the postcard, it included Dear Santa clear stem set, and the Santa will go perfectly with this chimney as well. In fact, you can even put one of the Santas upside down coming out of the chimney, or you can have Santa walking on the roof with the chimney there. So if you have that other set, this will be another great addition for you to mix and match. So let's go really quick through the set again to see what's included in your bundle. It's a $50 bundle, $72 worth of the products. You'll get a Carolyn We Go clear stem set, you get lamppost, small wreath, chimney die. You'll also get a sampler of the papers from Little Merry Christmas paper pack. Just want to show you again the designs. You will also get a gable box and supplies to make 4 tags. I hope you enjoyed our little tutorials and show and tell today. I hope you'll give these ideas a go. And this is all from me for now. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you next time. Bye.